if you can give me a few minutes of your time, I'll be showing you guys on how to claim free crypto, okay, on this platform, okay, that is going on all over the internet. Okay, I know you haven't heard of it, okay, and most of you might have heard of it, okay, but for those that haven't heard of it, I want you guys to hop into this platform called UHIVE. Okay, it's a platform like TikTok, okay, which you can watch videos and earn a lot of money. Okay, so with that being said, let's head to the video. But before we do that, okay, give this video a thumbs up, okay, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. So with that being said, let's head to the video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to do the step guide on how to sign up on this. So I'm actually new to it also, so let's go with it. So I'm going to click on get started. So as you can see, explore and create exclusive original videos and content, okay, only on UHIVE. So there is a engage, connect and interact with people worldwide who share your interests. You see, it's just like TikTok and Facebook and Twitter and how is it so Instagram. So as you can see here, you say earn, okay, you can earn on UHIVE, okay. You say you have earned 50,100 UHIVE, okay, claims. Say earn token daily and rewards others for their amazing content. Okay, so let's click on get started, okay, which is this one, which is this one over here. Okay, so I'm going to click on get started. So as you can see here, they are telling us to use the Google. Okay, you can see you can use your email, you can use your Google, okay, you can use your Apple, okay, which is if you are using an iOS phone. Okay, so right now I don't want to waste much time, I have to use Google. Okay, so as you can see here, if you have an invitation code, you can put it there. So let's wait for it to load. So I'm going to choose my email. Okay, let's wait, allow. So as you can see here, my account is being preparing. Okay, so they are preparing my account, so I just have to wait. So you all have to wait, okay, for this process. Okay, so if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, I want you guys to go in there and subscribe. Okay, if you love what I've been giving to you, and I've been giving you guys the latest update. Okay, so I want you guys to hop into my channel always, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're watching this video. All right, as you can see, you say what interests you. Okay, you can select more interest at any time. So for me, let me check. Okay, music, I love music, and gaming also, and visual makeup, photography, fashion, pet and animal, comics and sports. Wow, love sports. Comedy and fun, religion and spirituality. Okay, let's see other ones. Pet and animal. Okay, photography, news and politics, parenting, education, and astronomy also. So what is this? Business. Wow, I love that. So let me click next. Okay, I don't want to waste you guys time, so I'm gonna fill on this. So I've put in my birthday. So as you can see here, suggested space, you can follow all the space. So let's just follow most of the space. Music, life pro tips, business, animal and pet music. Let's go. Music, animal, pet music, and business. Okay, so as you can see here, I followed some people. Okay, and let's click next. You're gonna see next at the top right corner there. Okay, you click on next. So as you can see, currently here I'm having what 0 coin right here, UHIVE. Okay, so as you can see, this is my feeds, this is the top up. Okay, this is my business and so on. Okay, let's click on this. Okay, so as you can see, these are people reels. Okay, as you can see, this platform is actually okay booming right away. As you can see, okay, to know that this platform is active and people are really, as you can see here, 2.1k views. Okay, people are actually watching, people are actually in this platform. Okay, so instead of you going to TikTok to watch videos without any or do TikTok videos, so I want you guys to go in here. Okay, you can promote anything you want to promote in here, your affiliate link, your social media handles, okay, anything you want, even your video from TikTok, you can put it here. Okay, they have to put a watermark, okay, that links them to your TikTok and so on. Okay, so as you can see, their hashtag, they've got hashtag and so on. So let's click on the bell icon here. Let's see what is going on. Say congratulations, you have received the prime location badge. Okay, welcome to Hive. So that's a 2 minutes ago. So you say current earning is UHIVE. Okay, you say click on this, let me see. the activities 5 UHIVE, okay, creator. Okay, if I to create anything, I'm going to see it here. Okay, and so on. Let's click on that. See, original post, popular post, nothing here. Invite and earn. So you can invite your friends and actually earn on this platform. Okay, so let's click on the next. Sorry. Okay, activities. Okay, it says time spent. Okay, time spent is 5 UHIVE. Okay, invitation none. So I just sign up to the site. So as you can see, you guys can just hop in here. It's okay, token back. Also it says space purchase and space names purchase and so on, whatsoever it is. So you can go in, okay, explore the site and see what is actually okay happening on the site. As you can see, your current earning is 5 UHIVE. Okay, growth multiplier 10%. Your net earnings is 5 UHIVE after growth appliers. Okay, the bigger UHIVE network, the more earning for you. Okay, spread the word. So you can spread the word, okay, and so on. Okay, so you can see growth. Say become a creator, top highest earning. This was the summary. We are okay, we were. So right now I'm telling you guys to the growth. Okay, so we're gonna click on that growth and you're gonna see this. I want you guys to stay with me to the end of this video. Okay, and if you stay to the end of this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys, okay, a very good platform which you can be earning, okay, a lot of money, okay, or should I say a little amount of money. I'm not promising you guys a fortune on this. Okay, so I want you guys to stay to the end of this video and give me a thumbs up. Okay, tell me something on this video. Tell me, hey, I love what you just did, I love your video, and so on. Okay, so with that being said, let's go to the point. So as you can see here, become a creator, top highest earning. Okay, create original content, like choose the right moment. Okay, capture, filter, add music, also post it, start earning. Is coming soon. Okay, originals are NFTs and can be sold, okay, traded in the future, and you own it. Okay, post amazing content. If it becomes popular by public moderation, you will get more earnings. Okay, so that is the second one. Okay, be more active. Okay, invite friends and earn 200 UHIVE pay a successful invite. Wow, it's coming soon. Spend time and engage in the app. Okay, token back, okay, 2%. Second highest earning from buying space and space names. Okay, so you can earn more on this by buying spaces and space name. Okay, buy token using BTC through Ethereum from our website. Okay, so as you can see, they currently have a website. It's a reward other users post. Wow. Okay, so it says start inviting. So you can actually go on the invite section, okay, and get your referral code and or your referral link and start promoting this. Okay, share UHIVE content with your friends. Okay, you can actually share, post on social media about UHIVE. You can actually share also. Okay, start earning. So that is it, guys, on this. So you can but first of all, let me show you guys. Okay, you can actually watch this video. They say claim this. Congratulations, you have claimed 150 free UHIVE token. Wow. Invite and earn another 200 UHIVE token, which is U token. Okay, UHIVE token is a cryptocurrency. The more users joining, the higher the value will be for all. So as you can see here, let's see. Wow, as you can see, it's counting. Okay, before it was 0 when we signed up, right? Now you are seeing here 150. Okay, and another time to claim, okay, it's counting already here. Okay, so all you have to be coming back to claim this UHIVE token. Okay, it's already on major platform, like major exchanges. Okay, you can find it on CoinMarketCap, okay, and so on. So let's go and see what is in there. You say chat with AI co-design GPT. Okay, join the airdrop event, right? So as you can see, the airdrop event is actually going on right here. Okay, you can actually join that. So once you click on join, okay, let's see where it takes us. So as you can see, it's actually going to the website. Okay, it says UHIVE airdrop, join now and get rewarded. Okay, 14,964 I don't know, rewarded already. So join the airdrop now, don't miss, and so whatsoever. Okay, you can just read on that. So let's see, follow our Twitter account for the latest update, retweet airdrop tiers, okay, up to 100,000 users. Each user receives 10,000 tokens, okay, and 100,000 10001 to 200,000 users. If reach all users from 1 to 200,000 receive 50,000 tokens each, okay. And so can say over 20,000 users, if reached all users from 1 to the total number of participants receive 20,000 tokens each, okay. So as you can see here, quadruple things are actually happening. I don't want to go in details, okay, so this video won't get you boring. So I want you guys to go in there and do what you have to do, okay. Don't get missed on any airdrop. That's what I'm telling you. You should always subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you won't get missed on anything I am dropping on this channel, okay. And do more to come to my channel, more and more to watch videos, because I drop videos day by day, okay. I don't rest, okay. I make sure I give you guys, okay, I feed you guys with what you want, okay. So as you can see here, drop your email for any news they have got for you. So let's go back to the app and see what is going on there. So I don't want to go in details about this. So any news that have come up about this UHIVE, okay, I'm going to show you guys. Now when you click on that, let me show you guys what I did, so you can get missed. So I clicked on the 150, okay, UHIVE. So when I click on that, it takes me to my dashboard, okay. So as you can see here, the amount I'm actually earning. Wow, this is crazy. You see this is BTC, okay. That's why I'm telling you, you should take your time and subscribe to my channel, guys, because you are about to get, okay, money, okay, about to get bans, okay, from this platform. So as you can see here, I'm from Nigeria, so as you can see here, I'm currently earning 94.03 naira, okay, just for 150 UHIVE, right? So token price in naira, you can see here. If you are from United States, okay, you're gonna be seeing it in USD, okay. If you're from India, you're gonna be seeing it on Ruby, or so on and so forth, okay. So as you can see this, you can actually stake on this, you can actually deposit, right, and you can actually withdraw on this. So as you can see here, is the earnings is UHIVE, okay, blah blah. So invitation 0. So when I drop this link on my comment section below, I want you guys to go in there, okay, and click on that link, and I'll be rewarded, okay. So I want you guys to go in there and do this. So this is the store. So I've clicked the store. Let me show you guys what I did. I clicked on the store, okay. Now you can see that the store here is a UHIVE token, a limited supply crypto for transaction, user earnings and purchasing digital asset. Learn more, okay. As you can see, this one token is 0.06626865. I mean, it's very cheap. So as you can see here, for 11,000 token, you will be having 4,670 naira, okay. 20 something thousand token, you'll be earning, you'll be paying 11,500. So as you can see, okay, 92,500, okay, for 220,443 UHIVE token. So as you can see here, when you buy this, man, you'll be earning a lot, okay, in the UHIVE. So as you can see, digital asset, it's a buy virtual land space and so on, okay. So I mean, if I want to go into this thing, man, you guys are gonna quit this video. So I hope this video is not boring, okay. If it's boring, tell me it's boring, okay, so I can fix my mistakes, okay. We are all human beings, we are animal, okay, we are robot, okay. So tell me, hey, call to claim you are boring, okay. Try to fix some certain things in your channel, okay, so my channel is going to be built, okay, for you guys. So I want you guys to go in there and give me a thumbs up, give me like, okay, smash that like button, okay. I'm preaching to you guys, it's free. Subscribe to my channel, guys. All right, so let's go to the next step, okay. You can stake on this platform, right? You can stake on this platform. As you can see here, okay, staking is the act of locking cryptocurrencies to receive rewards, okay. In case for people that don't know about what they call staking, okay, in cryptocurrency, okay, yeah, you can see that staking, okay, there is it, okay. You say staking is the act of locking cryptocurrencies, okay, to receive rewards. Staking your HVE token, HVT2 tokens, makes you an important part of UHIVE's infrastructure. I don't want to click on learn more, so this video won't get that boring. So as you can see here, if you want me to go more on this, I'm going to be showing you guys more on this, more of this, okay. So I don't want to go into this, right? So I'm going to make a video of that. So let's see, deposit, Okay, let's just say you want to deposit this. Okay, you have to click this, the address, okay, which will be deposited. Say do not send Ethereum to this address, right? Send UHIVE tokens only. If you want to send Ethereum, please follow the instructions. Okay, that is it, guys. So I'll be showing you guys about that. So please go in there and do your best. Right now, let's watch a video and let's see if as you call we're gonna end. So as you can see here, let's watch a little video. As you can see, look at this platform. Look at this. I'm gonna go ahead and like this. Okay, you can see the person is currently earning. Let me show you guys what for this video he posted. Okay, he earned 6 points. Okay, let's see how he is. Is it a girl or a boy? Original moderation moderators comments. So as you can see, on this. Okay, they say put so as you can see, videos. Okay, so all you have to do is just go in and post. Okay, and with me you can share it on TikTok. Look at it, you can share it on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And let's click on this share button right here. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram. Wow, you can click on more. Okay, let me show you guys. You can click on this. Okay, permission to collect and store the list of contacts to help you connect or continue. So you can see, let's accept it and open to this platform. Right. So if you guys really love what I just showed you guys, I want you guys to go in there and subscribe to this channel. Right? Turn the bell icon and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so award creator. So as you can see here, there's a place say award creator. You can award creator with 24 UHIVE, 40 UHIVE, and so on. So believe me, you're gonna earn more and more if you are posting on this channel. Okay, if you are posting on this platform, you're gonna be earning more and more. So thank you for watching the video to this part. Okay, my name is called Okay, I'm always gonna be calling you guys to claim on this platform. Okay, on my channel. Okay, so peace. But first, let me show you guys about one thing that you guys don't know about. They're coming soon. Music, podcast, post. All these things are coming soon. Okay, as you can see, let's see this. We have already seen this. Okay, let's see. Alright, leaderboard. Right, this is the home page. So if you guys can see your home page, this is your home page right here. Okay, this is your home page. If you want to watch videos, you watch there. If you want to post, you click on there. Okay, so let me take you guys to the next step. Alright, this is the leaderboard, right? This one you're seeing over here. Okay, this is the leaderboard. Okay, if you want to check your profile, you go in there. So let's click on that. You say my wallet. Okay, my name is Gabriel Eja, right? I can edit that. You can check your friends, you can check your favorite, you can check your award, you can check your space name, NFT, and so on. So okay, when I click on my wallet, okay, you're gonna see where I took you guys. Okay, so when you click on reward, I haven't been rewarded. Okay, any prime location. That is the reward I was rewarded. Okay, you say got it. So as you can see, there's the badge I was rewarded with. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.